I know they wait for money. I just the chase money. I know they wait for money.
Just to inspire the youth.
Money.
So I'm taking you through my recent song. This song I just released it a week ago. It's titled Kuacha. So I go in the studio and then I was just playing with my piano. And this is called palm wine music, like high life. I just wanted to get the guitar feel, so I called my guy. And then he came to play exactly what I was playing. And this is how it came. After that, I added some strings to just spice it up. To give it that warm vibe, to just, And then this is some kind of vocal chops I added to it. So when I got this, I was thinking about the drums that I'll put under, because it's already, moving. So I wanted to make it something modern, because right now we have this sound banging, this drill music banging. So I wanted to fuse in the drill to just give it more current vibe. Kelvin heard this one, he was like, yo, this is amazing high life tune, so I'm gonna put something to just make it bouncing. So he came with this vibe.
I know they wait for money. I just the chase money. I know they wait for money.
Just to inspire the youth.
Money.
Just to inspire the youth, make them find money. Kuacha. Kuacha is money, yeah. After Kelvynboy laying everything, I felt like, no, this is some crazy vibe that I need to get someone to fit in. I thought of Black Sherif, so I just called him in the studio. So this is what Black Sherif 2 gave on his verse.
Kuacha. Give me the guala, see this and iras. No one me pour me, I no one wahala. See the dollar, baby nayoka. Life in my crib, she want feel the fire. Me on the street and you ready to one upper. Don't be punani, I'm searching no master. Best believe when
So after the fourth line, I just knew that no, we just created a banger. I called Darkovibes. Yeah, big shout out to Darkovibes. When I told him about the record, he loved it. So he just came inside with this crazy vibe.
Me here sick that time auto. Jenny in trouble a war. About any in small bottle.
And it was crazy when I heard the vibe, just listen to the unique sound that is playing right now. This is how everything sounds. And ever since I released this record, the response towards it has been crazy. Everybody loves it, and then I'm like, it feels amazing to have a record that everybody feels like, yo, this is a special record that you've done, and then everybody jam into it.
She said, I want money for pocket. Some people they take money play. And not Kuacha, 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 see dollar, Kuacha, 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 Kuacha.